Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chukwumozo Charles Ofori Icon. We shall be discussing, are lawyers made or born? This is one of the major issues we always have in families. In family that think that their son wants to become a lawyer, or their female daughter or a female child wants to become a lawyer. Once they see the person acting anyhow, no, 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 all this kind of, they'll say, this person must be a lawyer. He's a born lawyer. Then this is one of jurisprudential question you always ask in law of jurisprudence. They will ask if lawyers are made or are they born. Actually, lawyers are not born. Not it today. If you're one of people that will just see all those people that will making noise in the family and I say they are lawyers already, you don't need to study law. Lawyers are not born, please. According to researchers and according to scholars in law, they have concluded that lawyers are not born. Lawyers are made. Why are lawyers are made? Lawyers are made because one, before you become a lawyer, all those noise you don't make it in the court. What you do is what is called principle that guides lawyers. One, that's the principle. Two, there is some ethics, etiquettes, principles, rules of conduct that you need to know as a lawyer. For instance, if you look at those people who are making noise in your houses, once someone is speaking, they will be speaking. Is against our ethics. When someone is speaking, a lawyer doesn't speak. You keep quiet and listen to the person. It is after that person is finished speaking, you speak, or you say, "Excuse me." So lawyers are trained. Lawyers are made. They are not born. Because there's a lot of things you'll be taught. Even those laws, they will not even know it. It's even better for you to say that they have character of a lawyer. Yes, it's true. You can have character of a lawyer. That one is okay. If you are born to become a lawyer, no problem. It's not a problem. But you will still have to go into some processes, knowing the law, knowing what law is talking about, knowing what is called procedural law and substantive law. Without it, you cannot be a lawyer. Without it, you don't know anything about law. Forget about all those noises that are making in the family. This is a born lawyer. We always see those things, especially parents. I feel like it's somehow because parents use it to encourage their children. But lawyers are not born. Please take note. After listening to my YouTube channel, if you want a lawyer, if you're a lawyer already, in fact, if you're a lawyer, you should have known this because you might have met it in your jurisprudential course. Law of jurisprudence, all this things have been taught there. Though it's a final year course. If you're a law student, you may not know it until you reach that stage. So, what are we saying? Lawyers are not born, but they are made, or lawyers are trained. You are trained to become a lawyer. You're not born to become a lawyer. If you have character of a lawyer, it is fine. You go on, you study it, because you need to know those things. Another thing that you may tell me that once a lawyer everywhere, yes, he's a lawyer anywhere. But once the person comes, the only thing that the person has to know the legal system of that country, land law, what again, customary law, some other laws, campaigning laws, some other small laws to know that country's law. So that's how it is done. But you will not be subjected to study law again. Once you've studied law, you can't go back. That one is just for it's a year or less than said, depending the country. But once you've studied law, you cannot go and do your law degree. Law is law. And the Latin word for this principle I just stated now is called lex legis. Law is law. If you study law, you cannot go back again. It is not done. So thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. I'm still remain Ofori Chukwumozo Charles Icon. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.